What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to help you create better content. Now, everybody says that gear doesn't matter. Use what you have. Just create. Well, in some ways I agree with that, in other ways I don't. But let me tell you from experience, gear does matter. And if all you have is a smartphone, hey, that's cool too. But if you want to get serious about creating content, eventually you're going to have to step up your game when it comes to your gear. But in this video, I just want to share with you 5 tips that I've learned when I started creating content. Tip number 1, make sure that you have great audio. There's nothing worse than watching a video or watching somebody's content and the sound is horrible. It's almost to the point where you can't understand anything that's going on or what the person in the video is talking about because their audio is so bad. So that's tip number 1, is to make sure that you have good audio, have good microphones. Whether it's a lavalier mic, a shotgun mic, or a mic that's a wireless mic, just make sure that you have good audio, because I'm telling you from experience, if you don't have good audio, people are going to quickly turn away from your content and not even listen to it. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, make sure that you have a good video source. Whether it's your smartphone, your DSLR camera, a camcorder, or even one of those expensive cinematography cameras, make sure that you have a good video source, because you don't want your videos to look like they come from back in the 80s with VHS tapes or something like that. You want to make sure that your video records good video, and especially if you can get a good camera that records in 4K, your video will be that much more better, that much more clearer, and will just give it a much more of a professional look. Tip number 3, lighting. Make sure that you have a good light as well. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. It doesn't have to be something that costs you $1,000 or something like that. You can find good video lighting on the internet, on Amazon, or other places like that. It doesn't have to cost you a ton of money, but you definitely want to make sure that you have good lighting as well, because people watching your videos, sometimes they'll turn your videos off as well if the video is dark and you barely can see what's going on and the content is just not all that good. So get yourself a good video lighting system. Doesn't have to cost a lot, doesn't have to break the bank, just have a good lighting source. Tip number 4, test, and test. Test your video before you upload your content to any platform. Test your audio, see what it sounds like. Test your video, see what it looks like. Test your lighting. Make sure it's not too light, make sure it's not too dark, and it's just not blown out. So test your content before you upload it. Just do a short little test clip, take a look at it on your computer, see what it looks like, see what it sounds like, and that way you're not uploading content that someone is going to just eventually turn off. The final tip, tip number 5, just make sure you get better every day. Every time you create content, just get 1% better. Just work on your craft, study, research. Just check out different people, how they create videos. because I'm telling you that people now on YouTube, I'm telling you, are creating these incredible high production videos, very high quality. And I've noticed that a lot of people who are on YouTube these days, these people come from the background of film and editing and cinematography, and they're putting out this content that just looks so professional. But if you just follow these tips, these 5 tips, your content and your videos can look good as well. Just remember, check your audio, check your video, check your lighting, test, and just try and improve each and every day on each and every piece of content that you put out. So those are 5 tips that I hope will help you create better content. So thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.